Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this moving couple filter on TikTok. So if you want to create a video where you have a boyfriend coming into the scene with you in the photo, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, we'll need TikTok and we'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok account. Here in the TikTok app, you want to go ahead and search for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as you'll see the boyfriend filter right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it from my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on Capcut, try this template. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. And then tap on Use AI Template. Now go ahead and post a picture of yourself. Then tap on Next. Now let Capcut apply the AI effect on this. So just give it a few minutes. And now once the AI effect has been applied, you can go ahead and play the video. And as you can see, a male character comes into the scene and you have yourself a boyfriend. So go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right and then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. Now this will take the video into TikTok. You can go ahead and tap on Next. Go ahead and add your captions and add your cover page. Now go ahead and post this video to your TikTok account. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok and visit this profile page here, Test the Simple Dad. Then on the page itself, you want to go ahead and find the moving boyfriend filter. Tap on this and then you'll be able to see that filter. Now to use this filter, you want to go ahead and tap on Capcut, try this template, and then follow the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that is how to get the moving boyfriend filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.